I am attempting to put together a quick 2-minute guide on what to look at in your Google Ads account first time that you've set it up. So you'll probably land on a page like this, which is your overview tab. What you want to do is click all campaigns or campaigns to see your campaigns. Think of this as a folder and this is the top level of your folder. Now, if you click these hyperlinks here, that will take you into your campaign. And then this ad group folder is essentially, you might have several ad group folders, you might have one. Most of the time, you'll probably have several. This is just an example account. And this will basically tell you everything that's in your campaign folder. If you click your ad group folder, you'll then see what keywords that you have set up. Again, in this example, I've only got one set keyword set up, and this is just for example purposes. Now, the main thing you want to do is make sure that your account's working. So if you've just set up your account, you'll notice that you'll have a campaign that would have been created when you did your account setup. Turn that account off immediately because most of the time it will be one of those performance max or one of those account types that where Google doesn't really tell you what you're getting matched to. Now, the fundamental thing you want to look at when you first set up an account is you want to go to the Insights and Reports tab and click, if you're running search ads, click search terms. And if you click your search terms, just take into account that right here on the very right, if I just scroll over, that's the keywords that you may have told Google to seek out for you. But actually, here on the left, these are the search terms that when the people click, this is what you're paying for. So if these search terms don't look right, that's the thing, the main challenge that you want to accomplish with your Google AdWords account. Now, this is something my agency can help with. We do free consultations. We do free training. Of course, we help manage accounts on retainers and things like that too. So I just thought I'd put this quick guide together because when I started, this information wasn't out there. So I thought if someone wants to look at something in 2 minutes, let me put something together. Well, 2.10 seconds. Thank you, everyone.